So, you want to ace the GitHub Actions GH-200 exam? Let's break down exactly what you need to know. This is your quick guide to the exam structure, topics, and most importantly, how to prepare. Basically, it tests your real-world skills in automating workflows, especially for CI/CD pipelines. So, what's actually on the exam? Well, it's broken down into 5 key areas. You've got everything from writing YAML workflows to handling enterprise security. It covers the whole shebang. Okay, watch the clock. You only get 100 minutes to get through the entire thing. And you can expect anywhere from 40 to 60 questions, hitting all those different skill areas. Cost-wise, you're looking at about $99, but that can change depending on where you are. Good news is it's just one proctored exam, no extra parts or anything tricky like that. All right, let's talk about a huge pitfall a lot of people fall into when they're prepping. Ever heard of those leaked question files or dumps? Yeah, just don't. They're usually wrong anyway. See, this exam isn't a memory game. It's about really knowing how to use the tools. So what actually works? A solid, structured study plan. That's how you build real confidence. It's all about structured repetition, testing yourself over and over to find your weak spots. And for that, we seriously recommend checking out certificationexam.com. Their simulator is perfect for this. They've got a web simulator and even a mobile app, so you can practice whenever, wherever. I mean, the difference is night and day. Structured practice builds confidence. Random cramming just doesn't. So here's the game plan. Learn the domains, practice with the simulator, review your mistakes, and repeat. And don't forget, this is all about practical skill. You've got to get your hands dirty in a repo. You pass, and boom, that certification is good for 2 whole years. So the real question is, what are you going to do with it? Time to get certified and level up.